How would you protect a blended fabric with 51% viscose? Stay tuned.
Hi, I'm Tony with New Dimension Fabric Protection and Cleaning, and this is a 51% viscose fabric, and I wanted to show you how our nanotechnology protector can prevent staining, even from wine. I mean, look at the red stain from the spill. Please watch the video and you'll see how it comes out. Thank you so much, and remember, New Dimension Cleaning.
Let's pour a little wine on this fabric. It's 51% viscose. It's blended in with some other synthetic and natural fibers. And let's just keep pouring the wine on there like it's a big spill. And remember, this is with New Dimensions fabric protection, and you'll see how well it is. The left side there was treated, the right side was not. So now we'll just blot it up. You can see there's some wine caught in between the fibers. Something like this you're going to have to blot up. Maybe it gets down there a bit. You might have to use a spot cleaner. We're just going to try it without a spot cleaner. And look at how clean that left side is coming out, and this right side it's just destroyed. You would probably never be able to get that much out of this fabric. And remember, it's 51% viscose.
Thank you for watching, and please comment below and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. And remember, New Dimension Fabric Protection and Cleaning.